Safety on the job site should always be at the front of mind. Hard hats and steel-toed shoes are always worth it. But when working around large bodies of water, specialized gear should be considered. So let's talk PPE with PFDs in this week's feature product, the Industrial Universal Fit Personal Flotation Device from Mustang Survival. Accidentally falling into water can be an annoyance, but when accidentally falling into water while wearing jeans, work boots, and a tool belt, well, that could lead to some trouble real quick. Which is why the Canadian Centre for Occupational Health and Safety requires the use of a personal flotation device, or PFD, when there's a risk of drowning on a worksite. The Universal Fit PFD from Mustang Survival is an economical, front-entry, foam life vest that has 3 adjustable belts across the front that helps to securely create a custom fit. It's marine approved from Transport Canada, meeting the minimum buoyancy rating of 15.7 pounds. And to assist with mobility and movement, the extra large armholes will keep the vest from rubbing while using tools and equipment. Now, if the unthinkable were to happen and the personnel wearing this vest went into the water, the bright orange nylon shell will help keep them spotted. And thanks to the solus grade reflective tape on the shoulders, the worker can be better seen in low light environments. Finally, when working on a job site next to a body of water, Gregg Distributors has some special equipment available for an emergency should it be needed. Things like ring buoys to help keep someone afloat, or a water rescue throw bag that can help tow in a victim after they've been stabilized by a flotation device. Mustang Survival was founded in Vancouver, Canada back in 1967 and has been designing, engineering, and manufacturing products for NASA, the Coast Guard, along with police and military, putting them at the forefront of marine safety. So help support a fellow Canadian company while staying safe on the worksite with this week's feature product, the Industrial Universal Fit PFD from Mustang Survival. Have you worked on a job that required a personal flotation device? Let's hear about it in the comments. And be sure to check out more of our 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching.